When exploring the phenomenon of social facilitation, which experiment would be most suitable? Let's take a look at the answer choices. A. Comparing the relative intensity of attitudes held by an individual versus a small group. B. Comparing the relative intensity of attitudes held by a small group versus a large group after a discussion. C. Comparing the time taken to solve a difficult puzzle when alone versus in front of a group. Or D. Comparing the time taken to solve an easy puzzle when alone versus in front of a group. So in order to answer this question, you need to understand what social facilitation is. Social facilitation is a phenomenon in which being in the presence of others improves your task performance. So, for example, you're going to do better on a task when you're in a group of people or a group of people are watching you rather than when you're on your own. So looking at choice A and B, right away they contain the word attitudes. And attitudes really have nothing to do with the phenomenon of social facilitation. So automatically I'm looking at A and B and these look like incorrect answers. Now looking at choice C and D, these are both extremely similar answers. The only real difference is that choice C mentions a difficult puzzle and choice D mentions an easy puzzle. Now, in social facilitation, it usually encompasses simple and easy and well-practiced tasks. However, with social interference, which is something that I need to make a video on, which some of you may not have learned yet, social interference is more so for difficult and harder tasks. So as for the case of social facilitation, solving an easy puzzle would fit that answer more, making the correct answer choice D, comparing the time taken to solve an easy puzzle when alone versus in front of a group.